Mortgage Magic is a financial planning system that cuts up to 20 years and hundreds of thousands of dollars off a mortgage, making just the regular monthly payments.
Some people call it a mortgage accelerator, but it's much more than that. Mortgage Magic also reduces other types of debt, like credit cards.
Mortgage Magic is a complete financial management system. It takes into account the total financial picture, not just the mortgage. Look, there are the regular monthly bills like mortgage and utilities, but then there's healthcare, car payments, fuel costs, taxes, credit cards, college costs, insurance, and many others. The Mortgage Magic system works by allowing you to use your regular income to offset your mortgage balance.
The first step is to create a mortgage checking account using a HELOC or home equity line of credit. Look for a HELOC that has no origination fees, no restrictions on the number of monthly deposits or withdrawals, and no fees to use the account. Ideally, it should allow electronic transfers or be linked to a checking account that does. Use your Mortgage Magic software to plan your next steps. Following your plan, make initial transfer from your mortgage checking account to your primary mortgage account. Let's say you make a $15,000 transfer from your mortgage checking account to your primary mortgage account. Your mortgage checking balance becomes $15,000. Remember, we haven't reduced our overall mortgage balance. That's why the Mortgage Magic system doesn't work the same way as mortgage accelerators. We haven't prepaid the loan. That would reduce the amount of money needed for other monthly expenses.
Now, follow through with the plan that you created with the Mortgage Magic software. Let's say we make weekly deposits beginning in week 2. Here's how the rest of the month looks. In this example, we make our weekly deposits of $2,000 into the mortgage checking account, just like making them into a regular checking account. In week 4, we make our monthly household payments of $4,500. So at the end of week 4, the mortgage checking balance is $13,500.
Using the Mortgage Magic software is not complicated. Here's an example of how monthly expenses are entered. There's a large choice of categories if you want to categorize them, or simply group them as general household expenses, like you see at the bottom of the screen. You can add, edit, or delete your information to keep your financial profile current. The easy-to-use interface also makes it a snap to do what-if scenarios quickly, using the system as a financial planning tool.
After your information has been entered, you can switch to the output views. Users can see their finances in action using the interactive chart feature. For detailed financial analysis, the system includes cash flow summaries that can be viewed on an annual basis. Not only does the system reduce your mortgage burden, it also shows how your income and spending pattern impacts your future financial goals. And as amazing as it sounds, users get a lightning-fast picture of their present and future finances, showing how much and how fast their savings are affecting their future. For instance, here's a chart showing the results of one user's financial plan.
Here's another. You can see how different this chart is from the previous one. The chart summaries allow users to quickly see the big picture, and because the system projects into the future, you can immediately see the long-term effects of your present finances.
Want to check details? The Cash Flow Summary view lets you perform detailed analysis. To check the figures for a particular year, select it at the top of the page. The Cash Flow Summary is also color-coded by account type, so it's easy to read.
You can also see the savings and interest you won't have to pay. This translates directly into less time it will take to repay your mortgage. Use the system to cut years and tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars off your mortgage. Use it over the long term to manage your finances.
Mortgage Magic is the award-winning system that anyone can afford. Buy it and use it today.